Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to unlock iPhone to use accessories. If you want to use accessories to unlock your iPhone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, you just have to open your phone settings. Just open it, and now just scroll down and look for a setting which is Face ID and passcode. Here's that. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, you just have to enter your phone's password. As I have entered, so now you just have to scroll down again, and here you will get a setting of accessories. You just have to enable it, and after enabling the setting, just go back, and now you just have to shut down your iPhone. Power off it, just scroll it down, and here you will get an option of power. Just keep a long press on it, and here you have to slide to power off. Just slide it. So you can see I have successfully powered off my iPhone. So you can see I have powered on my phone. Now I am going to power it on. Just keep a long press on power on button, and now you can see my phone has been powered on. So after powering on the phone, you will able to use accessories to unlock your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.